In this video, we will learn what is a static method and the difference between static and instance method. Static method must have static keyword in the declaration of the method. The method that don't have static keyword in the declaration are called as instance methods. Static methods are the methods that can be called or invoked without creating an object of the class. Instance methods are methods which require an object of its class to be created before it can be called. So how do you call a static method? You can call static method using class name. Also, there is one more way to call static method, that is using an object. But it is not mandatory to call static method using an object, unlike instance method. You can call instance methods using object of the class to which it belongs. And in case of instance methods, it is mandatory to create an object and call the method using an object. This is an example. You need to precede the method declaration with static keyword. Your show is the static method. In this example, there is no static keyword. Hence, show is an instance method. Let us write a program to demonstrate how to define and call a static method. We have defined a class named static method. There are two methods defined in the class. One is static. Name of the static method is S method. And the other one is instance method. Name of the instance method is I method. Look at the signature of the method carefully. Static method is preceded with static keyword and instance method is not preceded with static keyword. Then we have written separate class for main method. Name of the class is static method demo. Let us see the execution and how we call the methods. First statement here is static method dot s method. We can give a call to static method using a class name. So over here, static method is the class name to which the static method s method belongs. Hence we are writing static method dot s method, that is class name dot method name. So once the interpreter reads this statement, it will give a call to the method. So from here, control of the program will go to the method definition and the code inside the method executes. SOP prints the text static method invoked to the console. Hence, static method invoked will be printed to the console. Control goes back. Next statement is executed. That is, we are creating an object static method sm equal to new static method. This is the object creation. Object sm will be created. Java has given one more way to call a static method, that is using an object. You can call using object name dot method name. Sm is the object dot s method. This is the another way of calling static method. So this is a method call. From here, control of the program will go to the method definition and the code inside the method will execute. SOP will print static method invoked to the console. So this is the output. Next we are calling out instance method. Now you cannot call instance method using class name. It is mandatory to create an object to call an instance method. Hence we are calling it using an object. Sm is the object dot method name. So sm dot I method, a call to instance method is given and the code inside I method is executed. SOP will print instance method invoked to the console. So this is the output for your program. Now in what scenario you need a static method? You may declare a method as static if you need to call it before creating an object. For example, main is a static method. Why is main a static method? As main is the entry point for any core Java program, JVM invokes main method before any object is created. Hence, main is declared as static. Similarly, in your application, if you need to call any method without creating an object, you may declare your method as a static method.